What's up, guys? It's airsoft tank 1 here. If you saw the clips before this, that was me attempting to run the ES44 DC, and basically in this video, it was supposed to be mainly a running video, but thought why not let you guys know what I'll be doing. Okay, some of the things I'll be doing this winter is ripping up all the track, and you'll hear why in a minute. Cleaning the whole table off, darkening some of these lines. Next thing I'm going to do is put all this together, put it in a bucket. Second thing I'll be doing is cleaning this track off majorly. I will spend a lot of time just cleaning each individual piece of track. I tried it right like as it is, but it didn't go too well, so I'm going to follow the steps that it comes with in the track cleaner and do it to every single piece of track that I have, make it runnable. Next thing I'll probably be doing is assembling it again after I make some markings of where the final track plan is going to be. I'm going to take the pencil and mark off the straights and the curve sections and mark down each number, how many I have per curve, what I have per curve, so when I take all the track apart and clean it, I don't forget. But that won't be happening for a while. Basically, that's pretty much what's going to go on. I'm going to try and do road bed for the whole main line. So basically this loop, the connectors, and then this outer loop I'll do road bed for. Whatever I have left will, depending on how much, I might do part of the yard, I might do that siding over there, I might work on the siding for the coal mine. It just all depends how much is left. So pretty much that's what's going to be going on, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys around.